Now, Google has suffered a major legal blow after a US judge ruled it had acted illegally to maintain a monopoly and stifle competition while generating huge profits. The US Attorney General described the ruling as, quote, an historic win for the American people. The judge found that Google held a monopoly through its position as the default search option on many phones and devices. Now, this allows it to charge artificially high prices for advertising. Google argued its market dominance was due to the quality of its technology and says it will appeal. And Chiponda Chimbelu from DW Business is here to tell us more about this. Hi, Chiponda. So, we know so many people around the world use Google, use the search engine every day. What does this mean for them?
Well, as you say there, it is a big win for the American people. However, the changes are going to take a while or may not even happen because, of course, Google has 90% of them, or more than 90% of the market share of online search. And that, of course, would be something that would be hard to change. We talk about Googling. It's a verb for a reason. So that's one reason. And the second reason is that Google is going to appeal this decision. So this will be in the courts for a while. And the court proceedings that actually led to that antitrust ruling are moving on to the second phase. And it is during that second phase that we will get to hear more about what Google needs to do to address its monopoly. So this is going to take a while, and we can't really talk about people, ordinary people like you or myself, Anya, seeing changes. It's going to take a while. But
what about the tech industry? I mean, how is this ruling going to affect the tech industry as a whole?
Well, this is a big win, of course, and that shouldn't be understated. It is a big win because it actually shows that antitrust efforts can work, and this is the biggest antitrust decision we've seen in decades in the United States. So this is going to be a huge encouragement for all those antitrust advocates taking on the likes of Apple, Meta, which owns Facebook, and of course Amazon or any other major companies, Microsoft included. So this is going to be a huge encouragement for them that they can carry on with their antitrust efforts. So that's one win, and of course we might see a lot of these companies, of course, getting challenges to their business models. This challenges, of course, Google's business model. So Alphabet, which owns Google, might be concerned about the $300 billion in ad revenue that it makes from Google. That is something that it might face challenges to going forward. And the same could happen for other tech firms which are being targeted by antitrust efforts. So there's probably a bit of concern in the tech industry right now because, of course, their models are being challenged when they are dominant in certain markets.
Talking big money and possibly wide-ranging influences. Chiponda Chimbelu from DW Business, thank you so much.